At the heart of Makati, there's a place where people are given formidable training in preparation for a daunting challenge ahead. But it won't be in the ring or any hard court. It will also not be for any sports medal. The training actually is aimed at a much bigger prize, as the challenge requires no opponent. The only opponent you need to take on is yourself, and the prize is your health and total well-being. This is at the core of the Human Performance Program established by the people behind the FitFast Wellness Center.
Human Performance is a new program that we're offering here in FitFast, and it aims to reintroduce or reinforce forgotten movements that we get through aging. The trend here in reality is as we age, we tend to be more inactive and we become more stressed. We have more chances of injuries and we have unwanted joint problems like low back pain. The exercises done during the workouts are all simulations of human movement. So it's movements like pushing, pulling, standing on one leg and picking up something from the ground are the basis of all the exercises done in the workout, helping you to become stronger and at the same time decreasing chances of injuries, therefore improving overall performance.
So if you think you're having a hard time getting fit and healthy, why not try challenging yourself and get results from your hard training with the help of qualified instructors in the Human Performance of the FitFast Wellness Center. It may be the answer you're looking for.
In the field of fitness or the field of sports science, there are principles. The principles are few and they will remain to be the same as always. But there are many methods. Here in FitFast, we try to familiarize ourselves with a lot of methods of fitness. Then we try to incorporate them in one routine so that we'll have our own, actually, a signature routine of our FitFast Human Performance.
You don't have to be an action star, a gold medalist, or an undisputed champion of the world just to get fit. All you need is the Human Performance Program and you'll feel like a champion yourself. And you can get it here, only in the FitFast Wellness Center, where bodies and mind come to get fit.
Everything that happens in our lives, our fitness and our physique, is because of our own doing. So the primary person who can help you is of course yourself. I invite everybody to enroll, come and try our programs. Come visit us here at FitFast, where bodies and mind come to be fit.
This portion was brought to you by FitFast Wellness Center.